Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. The box on the right hand side here that says my commissions now a total of $294.20. More importantly in this video, I want to show you how this product is called Megalink, and the Megalink is one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams promoting just one link. So more importantly, I want to show you how you can make money online with the Megalink. This gentleman here is the owner and creator of OLSP System and Megalink. The link in the description will give you access to this free video tour here. I just recommend that you come along and meet Wayne Crowe, and a short 10-minute video here is going to tell you all about this product and exactly how he's helping everyone from beginners to intermediates to advanced marketers become successful online. I'm going to take you inside the members area. First of all, I'm going to show you how this system works step by step. First of all, I want to show you some proof of the multiple income streams. So I'm going to go into commissions down here, and I'm going to go back to the beginning of my journey through all these pages here. And you'll see I started on December the 6th in this column. We're just blurring out members' information for privacy. The Megalink, this is the product in this column here, and this is the amount. These are 100% unlimited $7 commissions. Now what you'll see here, you'll also see a couple of products here called Mega Messenger, one here and one here. These are $10.80 commissions. That's a special offer. There is a monthly recurring commission with Mega Messenger as long as the members continue to pay for that monthly subscription and use the product. Let's go back into another page and just show you another product that you can earn with Megalink. So you'll see lots of Megalink $7 commissions. You'll see another Mega Messenger, another monthly recurring commission. This one here is another product called List Building and Magic Link. So another $7 commission here. And if we go back, you start to see the list building and the magic links converting very well, as well as the mega links. But on this page, there's 1, 2, 3. There's 4 list building and magic link commissions. So that's also a high converting product. I want to show you this because this is really key. If you want to get your money back, your $7 back, then this 25-cent commission here is a product where you can get paid to comment in the OLSP Facebook group. So I'll just come to that shortly. And then we're back to the original, we're back to January the 8th here, up to date now with $294.20. So let's go back into the dashboard. I want to show you a couple of really important things before I show you how the system works. So the way this system works, the way it really excels is with the trainings, the trainings in the members area, the live trainings, the replays, and also the community and support. So when you first join, I recommend you come to this free training here. Wayne's going to teach you how he made 10 million in commissions, a simple system that he used. And then Wayne will do this training here, the 100 commission hack. You get those products just by clicking on the icon there. And then further down here, this is the Comment Dominator Pro, where you get paid to comment in the Facebook group. So you'll see I've made 19 comments. I've earned $3.50 just for commenting, And that's going to be a great way for you if you want to get your $7 back. This is a one-time $7 product, Megalink. If you want to get your $7 back reimbursed, then you can earn that $7 by commenting within the Facebook group. There's a video here tells you all about it. I think I will do another video on that shortly. So now let me show you exactly how this system works. It's really important because there's nothing hard, nothing technical about this system. It's perfect for beginners. We've got a lot of beginners making their first dollar online within the Facebook group. And let me just show you here. So I'm going to draw a line down here. So this is a training that Wayne does. You'll see it says here welcome. It says here welcome to Megalink. Welcome to Megalink. And there's 3, 4, 5, 6 videos there. Now I'm going to draw a line down here. You'll see in the video here Wayne's drawn a line. This is really important because when you're brand new, everything has to be simplified to make sure you don't get overwhelmed. And there's nothing here to get overwhelmed about at all. Everything to the left of the line that Wayne has drawn in this training, everything to the left of the line is all you need to be concerned with. So as an affiliate, you've only got to do one thing. And that's it. You've got to do one thing. And he will teach you how to do that. And that is how to drive traffic. So people is traffic. How to drive traffic to your Megalink. So you get your Megalink here in the top right hand corner. So you'll get your own affiliate Megalink here. And then what happens is the Megalink is a done for you squeeze page. So it's this one here. So you don't have to create anything. You don't have to create any lead capture pages like this. You don't have to create any email follow-ups, auto-responder messages. There's no monthly auto-responder messenger costs. It's a one-time $7. So your prospect puts their email. You promote this page. Your prospect puts their email into there. And then what happens is they again go onto an email list. It'll be your email list that Wayne will promote for you. And he sends out emails. Wayne and his team sends out emails for you. So and this is all on autopilot. So you could be at work if you've got a full-time job like me. You could be asleep. You could be out with your family and your friends. He's going to send out emails on autopilot. Now, within those emails, within each and every one, there's affiliate links, affiliate links. Now, what he's done, remember, he's going to train you. Over here, there's training. What he's done is he's got his own products, our own, that he's created. He spent $250,000 on this system. It's very, very clever. And what he does within these emails, he promotes offers to your prospects. He promotes offers. And if any of your prospects buy any of these offers, low ticket, medium ticket, monthly recurring offers, high ticket offers, if any of your prospects buy any of those, then you will earn affiliate commissions. So this is a complete 100% done for you system. 100% done for you. All you've got to do is learn traffic. And he's going to teach you traffic. He's going to teach you traffic in the members area with the training. He does, down here, he does live weekly trainings and replays. And so over here on the right, what you're getting here for a one-time $7, you're getting a complete 100% done for you funnel and system. And that's just going to cost you one time $7. So the value I've never seen such value anywhere. The value that you're getting with this system is absolutely insane. But it gets even better because it's got a Facebook group. So not only does all this for you, you just got to just drive the traffic to your link and he'll train you how to do that. He's even got a Facebook group for help and support. So every angle is covered. Even if you're brand new, you're not going to be on your own. My email address will be in the description as well. But there's 142,000 members in this Facebook group. And there's everybody at all different levels. Brand new people, intermediates, advanced. This is people helping people to make money online and become successful with the OLSP system. So every single thing is covered here by Wayne. The value is absolutely superb. I would actually like to make an income disclaimer. They'll be in the description there. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and other members of OLSP System. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also promote the offer as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing a new video every single day, and there's over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP, please put those in the comments below. I just recommend that you come and meet Wayne Crowe. The link in the description will give you a free video tour here. Come and meet this gentleman, because he is doing some fantastic work in helping people make money online, right from beginners to intermediates to advanced. And what I like about it is just helping people make their first dollar and get into profit, which is one of the hardest things for new people to do. So he's doing an absolutely superb job with the work he's doing with this with his system. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.